Hello, good day friend. Today we'll learn how to install Docker in Ubuntu. So let us see this in action. So let me log in. Okay, then let me update the package. Okay, this is done. Okay, so now you can see in the Google search, if you search by installing Docker Ubuntu, you will get the result, and you can click on the result from docs.docker.com. It will take you to this page where you can check the prerequisites, and then if you have older versions installed, you can run this command to uninstall those. There are three ways you can install Docker in Ubuntu. The first one is installing using the repository. These are the steps that I will follow today. And also you can install from package, okay, and you can install from convenient script. Using the convenient script you can do that. Just you have to run these two commands, that's it, it will do that. Okay, so today I do install using the repository. So I already did this, so let me copy this one and then let me paste this and hit enter. This is done, and then I want to add the GPG key, enter, and then you have to set the repository and then paste and hit enter. That is also done, and then just update, and then so it is done. And then all you have to do is to come here, the second one, and then paste, and it is asking me, and then okay, so it is done. Now if I type docker -v, I should be able to see the version, and you can see, let me clear it, -v, and now you can see the Docker version. So that is how you can install Docker in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching this.